Homeowners in West Jordan are increasingly turning to window replacement as a smart investment in energy efficiency. Whether you're dealing with high utility bills, drafty rooms, or an outdated home, upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can make a significant difference. From reducing heating and cooling costs to improving indoor comfort, here's how window replacement can transform your home's energy performance. Reduce heat loss and gain with modern window technology. One of the biggest ways new windows improve energy efficiency is by reducing heat transfer. Older windows with single-pane glass or deteriorated seals allow too much heat to enter in the summer and escape in the winter, forcing HVAC systems to work harder. New energy-efficient windows offer double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes create a barrier that prevents heat from moving in and out. Low emissivity coatings. These coatings reflect heat while allowing natural light to enter, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Argon or krypton gas fills. These gases, placed between window panes, improve insulation and thermal performance. Sealed frames. Tight seals prevent air leaks and drafts that contribute to energy loss. By upgrading to modern insulated windows, homeowners in West Jordan can reduce their reliance on heating and cooling systems, leading to lower energy bills and improved indoor comfort. Lower your heating and cooling costs. Did you know that windows account for up to 30% of residential heating and cooling energy loss? If your home has inefficient windows, your HVAC system is likely overworking to maintain a stable indoor temperature. Benefits of energy-efficient window replacement include less heat loss in the winter, keeping your home warm without excessive heating costs. Less heat gain in the summer, reducing air conditioning use and lowering electricity bills. Consistent indoor temperatures, eliminating uncomfortable hot and cold spots throughout the house. By replacing outdated windows with ENERGY STAR-rated models, homeowners can enjoy long-term savings on utility bills while contributing to a more sustainable future. Eliminate drafts and improve insulation. Older windows often develop gaps, cracks, or poor seals, allowing cold air to seep in during the winter and hot air to enter in the summer. These drafts make your home feel uncomfortable and force your HVAC system to work harder. New windows eliminate drafts by providing a tight weather seal to prevent air leaks, using advanced framing materials that enhance insulation, reducing condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew problems. With properly sealed and insulated windows, your home stays comfortable year-round, and you avoid the discomfort of temperature fluctuations caused by inefficient windows. Block harmful UV rays and protect your interiors. While natural sunlight brightens up a home, prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause damage to flooring, furniture, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows with UV blocking technology help protect your home's interiors by filtering out harmful UV radiation, preventing fading and discoloration of fabrics and surfaces, reducing glare, making indoor spaces more comfortable and reducing eye strain, maintaining natural light, without the negative effects of UV exposure. Investing in low-E coated windows ensures that you can enjoy a well-lit home without worrying about sun damage. Increase your home's value and curb appeal. Aside from energy efficiency, New windows also enhance your home's aesthetics and resale value. Buyers are looking for homes with modern, energy-efficient features, and replacing old windows is an excellent way to increase curb appeal and marketability. Upgrading your windows can boost your home's resale value, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Modernize the exterior look, adding style and elegance. Improve indoor lighting and views with larger, clearer glass options. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, window replacement is a high ROI home improvement that pays off in both comfort and financial return. Choose the right window type for maximum efficiency. Not all windows provide the same level of energy savings. When choosing replacement windows in West Jordan, consider the best styles for insulation and efficiency. Casement windows provide a tight seal when closed, reducing air leaks. Double-hung windows allow for better ventilation while maintaining efficiency. Picture windows, fixed glass that offers excellent insulation with no moving parts. Sliding windows, easy to use and efficient when properly sealed. Selecting the right type of window and frame material, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite, further enhances energy savings. Work with a trusted window installation expert. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform well if they're not installed correctly. To maximize insulation and long-term benefits, it's essential to hire a professional window replacement company in West Jordan that offers certified installation and expert craftsmanship, quality Energy Star rated window options, warranty coverage for materials and labor, knowledge of local climate and energy efficiency needs. Proper installation ensures that your new windows will function at peak efficiency for years to come. Final thoughts. Is it time for a window upgrade? If your energy bills are high, your home feels drafty, or your windows are outdated, now is the time to consider window replacement. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in West Jordan offers multiple benefits, including lower energy costs, improved insulation, enhanced home value, and greater indoor comfort. To get started, consult with a local window replacement expert to explore the best options for your home. With the right windows, you can enjoy a more efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective living space for years to come.